What's good, Moguls fam? And I am back with another banging banger. What's good, bafethu? I hope ni-grand and hope ni-right. So namhlanje into engizoyenza ukuthi ngizothi kuyishintsha kancane, shintsha kancane, sithi ukushifta nje kancane from i-market, but asishiftanga kakhulu. We still kuyona, it's just that on a different platform. So njengoba nibona la ngine-platform ekuthiwa altcoin trader. Ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi bayazi, they have seen it mhlampe somehow, or noma khona abakezwa ngayo, mhlampe khona abake batshelwa ngayo, but akubo bonke. So la kule channel, anything that involves imali siyayenza, yabo. Anything that involves imali, ukuthi okay bafethu, how can we have multiple income streams? Because yabo, i-forex akufanele ukuthi as a person osebenzisa i-wisdom akufanele ukuthi uhlale endaweni eyodwa, because leyo nto ikwenza ukuthi ufole short if ever izinto zingahambi kahle. So kumele uzame indlela yokuthi kube khona ama-income streams owenzayo, nale mali oyitholayo kwi-market uyi-investa kephi, or uyishintsha kuyiphi i-stream, uyifake kuyiphi i-stream, so that uzokwazi phela ukuba well taken care of, kungabi khona into nje bese kudidisayo, yabo, ukuthi manje awusakwazi ukubhalansisa iy'balo, yabo. Because akusizi ukuthatha imali mase uphinde uyayenzani, uyayidla. Angeke ukusize lokho, angeke ukusize ngalutho, because uzoyidla kanti the next time wenza i-trade kanti it's not a good trade, then kuyabhontsha. That's why uthola abantu-ke uthola ukuthi sebefole short, it's because they don't use into uNkulunkulu abanike yona, which is ubuhlakani. So before nje I do anything, into engifuna ukuthi bafethu ni-understand ngale platform, ngizothi ukushaya kancane i-history encane. So kuyakwenzeka if ngingaphosisi 2018 ngathola ukuthi at that time ama-crypto ayesaphansi nje. Ngicabanga ukuthi leza y'khathi i-Bitcoin I think yayiwu-200K if mangingaphosisi. Ngoba nakhu phela umuntu asibe realistic, when mawukuthi kuye kwenzeka ukuthi ube naleyo fear of the unknown, ukuthi yazi ngizofaka imali yami yokugcina la, kanti yabo lento akuyona into ezoba well sustainable mhlampe in the future, mhlampe nje izodlula, because maningi amabhanoyi, yabo, maningi amabhanoyi asekenze especially la kule country. So obviously nami ngangiy'tshela lokho ukuthi Bitcoin into edlulayo, yabo, into edlulayo. So yavele yashutha, yathi mayiqeda ukushutha, njengoba uyibona nje manje ukuthi si-1.6 million iyodwa. So can you imagine ukuthi ithuba engalilahla-ke lalishube kanjani, ngoba ngabe ngikhuluma nje manje ngabe umuntu u-right, yabo, but-ke sonke amaphutha siyawenza and siyafunda kuwona. So into evele yenzeka ukuthi again isivele yaphinde yenza njalo, yasinikeza another gap, another opportunity ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siphinde singene ngalesikhathi esaphansi. So guys, mhlampe ngizokubhanqa konke la, cause angifuni kube khona umuntu osalelayo kule platform. So i-altcoin trader icishe ifane noLuno, icishe ifane maphi lama platform, no-Coinbase, ahlukahlukene nje lama platform, yabo, kodwa ngine-sure abantu abaningi bake bezwe ngawo. But umehluko wale ukuthi mina ngine-experience and u-user friendly, yabo, and unama-coins amaningi. So to give you this knowledge ukuze uyi-understand-e le nto ngizoyichaza nge-dash. Ake ngehle la ngibheke i-dash, nayi i-dash. I-dash right now iwu-R408 iyodwa, i-dash right now njengoba ukubona la, yabo, R408 iyodwa, yabo. So for umuntu ofuna uku-investa, ngifuna ayibambe le nto le concept, ayibambisise. So ngamanye amazwi it means that masibheka i-charts ku-30 minutes, sithi 1 month, sorry about that. Masibheka i-charts, sorry, let's say masibheka i-charts, uyabona ukuthi le nto ukusuka kwayo yafika ku-44, approximately 44,000 le amount le, approximately ngalesi sikhathi nje isaqala nje yashutha yabuya yaza la ku-44,000. Okay, fine. Then after that kwamele obviously ibe neutralized, yabo, ibe neutralized, yes, ibe neutralized. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry about that. Ukuthi ibe neutralized, yabuyela yazowenzani, yazoza la, ezothola i-support la, njengoba ubona ukuthi right now ikusaleyo same opportunity, same opportunity. So it happened ukuthi yazama, yabo, ukuthi from here yazama ukunyuka but yangakwazi ukuthi iqhubeke iye phezulu, yajika la, yajika approximately bani, approximately 6.8, njengoba ubona ukuthi 6.8, asesho kanjalo, wayeke lamarandi amancane. So after that, emva kwaloko yenzani, yaphinde yahluleka futhi ukucrossa phezulu ku-6.8, yabuya yazojika yazoqala phansi, yaza la ezansi. So can you imagine-ke manje ukuthi where are you, where are you, where are you? Ngibuza wena ukuthi ukephi kule opportunity ekhona right now, where are you? So manje isiyenze the same thing manje, and if ever muyibamba manje le nto, muyibamba manje, I promise you uzokwazi ukuthi at least njengoba iyi-400, if ever ishutha iza la phezulu ku-6 blocks, wena uzobe wenze malini? So nawe uzoshaya-ke ibala, sesenze umzekelo, asithi 6,000 minus 400, shuthi ngamanye amazwi that is 5.6 as a profit kule mali wena oyi-investile, which is u-400. So guys, le nto iyazisho. So please, let us learn to invest on different platforms. And mina ngikhuluma ngento engingayenzi, ngikhuluma ngento engiyenzayo, ngikhuluma ngento engingayenzi. So can you imagine ukuthi wena mangasethiwa manje lo 400 mhlawumbe uyawudablisha, asithi nje uyawudablisha, uvele uthenga 2 ama-coin awu-2, yabo, ngo-800. Shuthi wena mangasekuthiwa ushaya lo 6 blocks lo, shuthi uma uthi 6 plus 6 uba loyo, akuwona u-12 loyo, akuwona u-12 sigodo loyo ongawusebenzelanga, ongawujulukelanga, yabo. So mina nje my intention ngiyaphinda futhi for like i-generation yethu ukuthi we need to get exposed kwizinto ezibalulekile and ezenza imali ezenza ukuthi umuntu agcine seyisebenza, because ngiyazi a lot of us la sidiphendele ekutheni ey'manga yesipani. Isipani is not gonna last us longer in the future, because yabo manje sekungena o-A_I, manje kungena obani, yabo a lot of technologies yabo. Let's go back in ukushifta koku-investa and doing things properly. Let's go back le emuva, yabo. Shaye ne-farming ethu, uthathe imali uhambe othenga iy'mbuzi, uthathe imali uhambe othenga iy'ngulube, uthathe imali uhambe othenga iy'nkomo and invest kulezi zinto. Izinto vele babomkhulu bethu ababezenza ababephila ngazo, because uya-understand ukuthi from there uma kuthiwa mhlampe inyama ayikho ey'tolo, wena uzothatha inkomo la esibayeni uhambe uyihlinza idliwe inyama. Uma kuthiwa kudingakala i-chicken, uzothatha ulamthuthu la egcekeni. Uma kuthiwa kudingakala utamatisi, uyazi ukuthi unengadi yakho lapho. Not necessary ukuthi ufuna ukwenza ingadi yokuthi udayise, no, for i-sustainability, because yinto that is God given, yabo. It's God given nje bafethu, yabo. So sorry about that. It's God given. So nje I'm just giving you i-concept, I'm giving you a skill la ukuthi how can you master and identify i-opportunity. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you put a subscribe button, uyalike, uyakhomenta, because there are so many more videos engizowadropha mayelana nemali nje. Imali, sidinga imali right now. Asifuni ukukhuluma ngenye into ngaphandle kokuthi imali, ukuthi iyadingakala, yabo, iyadingakala. So guys, I hope ni-right. Uma ukuthi khona ongaku-understand or you want more info, drop a comment, and then mina I will definitely respond with the video. So njengoba ngishilo, there's no groups, there's no sign up signals, yabo, nothing like that. We don't sell ama-course. Forex Moguls don't sell any courses. Uma ubona umuntu esho njalo, just know immediately ukuthi scam. If ever there's knowledge to be dropped, it's gonna be dropped on YouTube only. So yabonga bafethu ukuthi ninginikezele lithuba. Danko.